Okay, so this is an update of the cockpit so far. We have the right side, we have the left side. And this is version 1.0. It does not have the ribs that go above this section and above this section. I will be doing the next section on the next video. So let me show you what the version 2.0 looks like. So version 2.0 looks like this. It's got the ribs, they go up to the shoulder of the pilot. I don't know if the shoulder, but yeah, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna create the right side and I'm gonna attach it to this one, and then we'll see what that looks like, and then finish it up, you know, put the front side and all of the little things that are missing. And then we'll be ready to cut on a CNC. I built a CNC just specifically for this. So finally, I'm gonna be able to do it. Alrighty, talk to you later, guys. Bye.